Hi guys, this is Dr. P and today we'll solve problem 21 from Math3 EOC exam. Let's see. We have a sine function that has the following properties. The period is 6, the minimum value is 2, and the value of f for 2.5 will be 5. It is required to find the value of a, b, and h. So let's reinforce a bit the thing. The general formula states that A is for amplitude, B it is calculated using this formula where P is the period, and we have the midline C. We will start first, of course, with formula of B because we have the period 6, so we just plug in 6 and after we simplify by 2, we have the B. Then let's see what's all about minimum and maximum value of the function. We have here an example from Desmond. You have the function, you have the graph of the function on the red, and with blue the line y equal 4 that passes through the middle of the graph. So is this number from here? This is our midline. The distance from the midline to the top to the maximum, this is the amplitude. So that's why the maximum is midline plus amplitude, C plus A. And although the minimum will be midline minus the same distance amplitude, so it will be C minus A. So going back for us, so our amplitude is H minus A will be equal with 2. So we will add A on both sides because I want to isolate H. So H equals 2 plus A. We apply usually this technique when do we have two unknown variables. We isolate one and we express that variable in terms of the other variable. And now the last condition. So f for 2.5 means that I should go back in the function and plug in instead of x, I will plug in 2.5. So I get a times sine of 2.5. So bx, our b is pi over 3 times x, that was 2.5. And then plus h equals 5. If you go on a calculator and you calculate this sine, you will find the value 1/2. So here you have a times 1/2, it will be a over 2, and then plus, we will replace the h as we said before with 2 plus a equals 5. In order to isolate the a, we subtract 2 on both sides, so we get a over 2 plus a equals 3. At this moment, just multiply by 2 top and bottom to have the same denominator, so we get a over 2 plus 2a over 2 equals 3. That means 3a over 2 equals 3. We will multiply now by 3 on both sides because I want to eliminate the denominator 2. So multiply by 2 on both sides. So I will have 2 times and here times 2. So we get 3a because these two are cancelling out equals 3 times 2 is 6. Finally divide by 3 and you get A. So A equal 2. H, if you remember, was 2 plus A, and that means 2 plus 2, it's a 4. So we have the A, we have the H, and as we found before, B, if you remember, was pi over 3. I hope that you